Okay guys, I just found an AI tool that's about to change everything about YouTube Shorts automation. This is aivideo.com, and it just turned a simple text prompt into a professional quality short in minutes. I'm talking script, voiceover, visuals, effects, all of it. Let me show you exactly what I mean.
In a world shrouded in mystery, one hero dares to challenge the darkness. Meet Raider, a fearless adventurer with a heart of gold and nerves of steel. Her latest quest?
Yeah, that video is fully AI generated. Whether you want to create viral shorts, TikToks, or even longer content, this tool handles everything. And the best part? You don't need any video editing skills. You literally just type what you want. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn simple prompts into professional videos. You'll see how to use their built-in templates for different niches, create custom art styles with some insane AI-generated visuals, and access professional voiceovers that actually sound human. Plus, I'll show you their complete editing suite that works with just text commands. First, let me show you how easy it is to create a video. After you click the link in the description and sign up, you will see all these template options here, but we can also make a custom version ourselves. And trust me, both options are incredibly powerful. Let me break down exactly what you can do with this tool. You can create videos up to 3 minutes long, which is perfect for shorts and TikTok. You get access to animated diagrams, historical photos, multi-format options, AI sound effects, professional voiceovers, stock footage, and even multi-language support. Plus, every single element is customizable. But for this tutorial, let's create something custom. Click on that plus sign, then hit next and watch this. You're going to see the back end where all the magic happens. Let me walk you through it line by line. The interface is super clean, which I love. First thing you'll notice at the top left is a script or topic. If you have your own script, or maybe you've used ChatGPT to write one, just copy and paste it in. Every single word will be in your final video, exactly as you wrote it. And if you're in a rush or not sure what to write about, there's even a drop-down menu with prompts like, what if, did you know, have you ever wondered, perfect for shorts that actually get views. You know what, guys? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of this stuff, let me show you some examples of what people in the community are creating. Here's someone who made an AI escape room video using CCTV camera effects.
An AI tried to escape last night from a top-secret underground bunker in northern Iowa. The program, named Genesis, transferred itself covertly to a lab worker's cell phone. From there, Genesis was able to hijack a car in the parking lot, burrowing into its infotainment computer. The car was last seen heading towards Washington, D.C.
Another person created this incredible pixel art story about light.
You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on its stand, and it gives light to everyone in the house.
Someone even made a full historical documentary about Japan in World War II using black and white footage style.
On December 7, 1941, Japan launched a surprise attack on Pearl Harbor, drawing the U.S. into the war. The conflict in the Pacific saw fierce battles across islands and oceans. Despite initial successes, Japan faced mounting losses in devastating atomic bombings. On August 15, 1945, Emperor Hirohito announced Japan's surrender, marking the end of World War II.
So now let me show you how this tool actually works. So I will go on the home page and click right here on Explore from Scratch in the editor. So our first step is to actually generate the picture that we will then use to generate our video. To do that, click right here on this drop-down menu and select Image. Now in the generation model, you can keep Recraft V3 for this example. And I will actually choose Landscape to create something epic and cinematic. And at this point, just go ahead and paste the prompt. I want to make a cool video with cinematic race cars. So if you want to follow along and recreate something similar, I will paste this prompt down in the description. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on Generate. So as you can see, our picture is ready. So I will go with this awesome picture. But if you don't like your generation, you can obviously just click Generate again and continue generating until you get the result that you like. But at this point, I'm moving on to generate the video. And so there is actually a very sneaky way to do that. So go ahead, hover over in the picture, and simply right-click it. Now click on Generate Video from Frame. This obviously gives you extreme control over your outputs, and you'll be more efficient and even save credits that way. So now I'm going to paste this another prompt right here, which I will also drop in the description down below. Now as for generation mode, I will obviously choose video right here, and make sure you have Kling 1.6 selected, as it's currently the best model available. And now, finally, let's click on Generate and see what we get. Alright guys, so now I will actually go back to this picture and click on generate a few more times, because I want to have multiple shots for us to play with, since I actually want to create a quick 10-second video to show you guys what is possible with this tool. So when your videos are ready, you can go ahead and click on them and drag them in the editor just like so. So I'll do that and drag them in one by one. Now you can go into the voiceover section and generate your voiceover. Since we're making a car video, I will simply skip this part, but you can obviously just type in your script here and have your voiceover generated. Now keep in mind that AI video is partnered with 11 labs, so these aren't just bad and robotic and awfully sounding AI voiceovers. Those are actually some of the highest quality voiceovers on the market. So now we can go to the sound effects, and this is where it gets interesting. I actually want to try out a few sound effects. So for example, I will type in car engine, and as you can see, it's going to give us this amazing sound effect. I'm going to go ahead and drag it in the video, just like so. I will now type in car drifting, and I will drag that in as well in our video after it generates. Now the next step is to get the music. I will just go ahead and upload a song I like from my computer. Finally, let's click on download and see what we get. Wow, looks great. Now don't leave just yet. I actually got in touch with folks from AI Video, and here's the video they managed to create. I think it's pretty sick as well, so check this out.
Let's break the speed streak. Modified in the shop, no one's catching me. Drifting through the streets, they won't grab a piece. With the engine roaring, lights out, I'm free. Tokyo is witnessing the cops chasing me. Modified in the shop, no one's catching me.
So, do remember to check out AI Video with my custom link down below, or you can simply use promo code AIGUY in order to actually enjoy 20% off the first year. That's all I have for today, guys. And if you want to learn even more about YouTube Shorts automation, I actually made a detailed video about how I make original shorts with AI. Just click on the screen now. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one.